What's up, you all? Today we're teaching you how to play Call of Duty Virtual Reality. In this game we're using for the example is Contractors, and thanks for Contractors offering these types of mods. The mods are now building in-house and giving us some amazing maps where we can actually play Call of Duty, and it feels really amazing. So let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So first things first, in the menu of Contractors, you're gonna want to get to the menu. You're gonna come up here to mods. Just for a heads up, I have done some mod type of tutorials already with Call of Duty Zombies, but not necessarily the multiplayer aspect of it. So inside mods, you're gonna show there's gonna be a lot of maps going on here, and it'll show you like what's been recently updated, and so you can always look around and you can just look manually. So right here we can just look manually through it all. Black Ops 1 Nuketown, see Black Ops 2 Hijacked is here. Hijacked is dope. I'm actually gonna get that. So when you see something you like right here, you're gonna head on over to this downright subscribe. Now this doesn't mean you're paying for these maps, it just means that you're kind of just letting the mod know what's up. You're within their realm now. Shoot house is here, so boom. And then Rust is also here. I already downloaded Rust, so we're gonna get into that, those examples. We're gonna get into examples and a little bit of all of them. And then you also see Shipment, so I already have Shipment. We're gonna do that. So for today's example, we're gonna be trying out those maps for sure. Have a 2019 loadout. We'll go to the Modern Warfare 2019 loadout and you can hit subscribe. Now that's gonna give us some guns that we are familiar with, which is super fresh. That's dope. Scrapyard is here too. Hard Hat's here too. So it's dope because Scrapyard is right here. You can get that if you want. You have you can go to, you see Hard Hat is here from 2019, so a lot of 2019 familiarity, so that's pretty dope, man. You can get like the Cold War Miami stage, that one's pretty fire. Vacant Modern Warfare 2019, here you could literally play so many Call of Duty maps, and you can also have the actual loadout in there. After you have done that, you subscribe to what you really want. You're gonna go into my mods. You want to make sure you have all of them. So for today's example, we're gonna be doing Shipment, Rust, Black Ops 1 Nuketown. We're also gonna go into, let's see if we have the other ones. So we have Hijacked here, which we'll do Shoot House also. We're also gonna try out this loadout. So let's go ahead and try out these maps right now. So in order to do all of that, you want to go into multiplayer. You want to kind of create your own multiplayer, or you can do your own single player, just depending on what you want. But I'm gonna do a multiplayer today. We're gonna go to create a game. We'll put max players. I'll kind of just set my own password so nobody interrupts my content today. So after you do that, you're gonna hit next. You create your own lobby, put next, and then now right here you want to put mod. You want to put the mods in the platform. So right here is where you can start really adapting everything. So now you can see what type of matches you want. So right now I'm just gonna do team deathmatch, and then I'll put with the actual on the mods, and there's a Call of Duty 2019, so we're gonna play Call of Duty 2019 on here. And then you also want to change the map. We're gonna go to our first one for today, so we'll go Shipment first. We'll show you a Shipment example, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. The Shipment is fire. Everything here super fresh, just like what we're familiar with in actual Shipment. Corner. See ya. Oh, what? And this looks exactly like it. Everything that you remember about Rust, running around. Like, look at all this, man. This is wild. Look at this. See ya. Look. Oh, excuse me? This is dope. It's good job to the mods. I heard you around there. See ya. Yeah. Okay. See it. Yep. Yes, sir. I like it. Look, you can see everything up. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. M4 on Nuketown. Oh, what? Oh, no shot, bro. Yeah. Excuse me. What? This one right here, boys. This one right here, boys. This one right here, boys. This one right here, boys.
What you must do.
Let's get it. Real vibrant, just like what we remember. VR fam, hey, go tell them. Watch this, right here. Right here. No shot, bro. Watch this right here. Yep. Come on, come on. Ah. Yes. Let's go. Oh, the whole team was there. Oh, shootouts looks dope. I'm not gonna lie. Shootouts looks super fresh. Look at all this, man. Just everything. If you're playing flat screen, you play this shoothouse on here, it's dope. This is so dope, man. How the heck do you see me so fast? There you go. Oh. No shot. No, no! Right here. Hello. Ooh, 2 for the price of 1, baby. And that right there is how you play Call of Duty VR with absolutely no PC. You don't need a PC for any of this. All these mods right here, you don't need to do any extracurricular. They're already in there. All you simply have to do is check what you want and you hit the subscribe button. Very, very easy. And speaking of subscribe button, if you do enjoy content like this, hit us up with a subscribe, as this is really cool and it still falls way under the radar, as this is giving us the best Call of Duty maps that we always rave for on when we're playing an actual flat screen console or PC. So they have all the actual legendary maps in here. So I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all have a good one, man. Peace.